Now, in these, one might say, imperial quests, the Varangian Rus and their princes, for almost a century until the death of Sviatoslav, directed their efforts against those forces which they perceived as stumbling blocks to what they wanted to achieve, namely the Byzantine Empire to the south, but in particular closer to them in the southwest, the Khazar Kaganate. Now, while Kyiv's era of expansion between the late 9th and late 10th centuries resulted in an enormous territorial growth of the Rus realm, as well as a certain degree of internal consolidation under the hegemony of princes resident in Kyiv. At the very same time, it also removed its eastern trading rival, the Khazar Kaganate, the result of which opened up the steppe to further invasions from the east, a story that is not going to go away.